some sessions like it can be 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 1 hour session, depending on now. When are you starting to write?
On the 28th
28th of November.
October.
So 28th of October.
Yes.
I'm just putting a note. 28th of October. You are starting with paper what?
Paper 2.
Then paper 1, it's when?
On the 16th of November.
Paper 1, isn't it?
Yes.
So I was checking your work which you sent there. So I thought maybe at least we should start revising what you sent me.
Yes.
Yes. Then if there are still other things which you need clarity, we'll continue from there. But let's, for a start, just to know the basics of what you sent me. So I thought
Yes.
maybe it would be good that you discuss that. Let me share the work you did, and then we can see how it
Yes.
goes. What are you seeing that side?
I'm just seeing a blank screen.
I'm seeing a blank screen.
Yeah, it's fine now. It's fine.
Fine. All right. Okay. So I was opening, now I'm opening the work that you sent, isn't it?
Yes.
Opening the work that you sent. But, the scan you sent me, it was not much clear. Not much
Yes.
clear to manage.
Excuse me.
What are you seeing now?
Yes, I see the work that I do.
Yes. So I marked the work. Did you see the way you were not right? So now we will be revising this one, 2.1.
Yes.
So it says in a sketch of two triangles are congruent. Congruent means what? What does congruent mean?
It means they are the same in every way.
Same word. You must be writing down. Congruency means same shape and same size.
Yes.
Same shape and same word. Size.
Size.
Meaning when we say congruent, we are talking of same shape and same size.
Size.
Same shape and same size, which means the triangles must be the same shape and same size. So yourself, you wrote the correct triangle. So for example, number 2.1, if I'm talking, for example, number 2.1, here, number 2.1.
Yes.
And let me just zoom it to focus on one thing, number 2.1. For number 2.1, you said a triangle ABC.
Yes.
ABC will be congruent to what? ABC is congruent to what?
CDE.
It will be congruent to
CDE.
CDE. All right.
Yes.
Check how we are going to do it. We are going to say A, triangle A, then B, C. So did you see the order that you moved?
Yes.
You went from A to B.
Yes.
To B. Then from B to what? To C.
To C.
Yes. So that is the same order that you must use, even when you're naming the other side of the triangle. From A, which means you're starting with what? E. You're going to start.
Yes.
After E, you go to what? Do you go to
E.
C or you go to D?
Oh, yes.
The order matters. Can you see here the path was straight?
Yes.
The straight path. So here you must also start with the what? The straight path that is equal to AB, going in that direction. Going in that direction. So it will be congruent to EDC. So triangle ABC is congruent to EDC. Correct
Yes.
that. Correct that on your worksheets where you sent me. You are having it with you.
Yes.
Correct that on your worksheet if you are having it with you.
Yes, I've corrected.
So order, it matters. Order
Yes.
is what matters. The order
Yes.
matters. So triangle ABC is congruent to EDC. So we are talking
Yes.
of triangle ABC.
It's congruent to triangle ETC.
Yes, so it will be congruent to EDC. Are you on the same page?
Yes.
It's congruent triangle EDC in the same order.
Yes.
What is the reason? Let's go to the reason now. You have identified, now we want the reasons. What is the reason behind? The reason behind would be what?
Given.
What is given? What is given? Why are you saying triangle ABC is congruent to EDC? It's not given. You found it out. So why are you saying it's given?
Oh.
It's not given. It's what?
I do not understand this one.
You don't understand. Now,
Yeah.
Let me explain now. Let me explain. You don't understand. I will zoom it a bit so that you can see. All right. So we are saying angle C. Can you see angle C? This one
Yes.
is the same as angle what?
C again.
Why? What is the reason that one?
Vertically opposite.
Yes, vertically opposite. So
Opposite.
that angle is the same, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's go to this other angle. I will put it in green this time. Let me put it in green. All right. Angle B. Can you see angle B? This one.
Yes. Yes.
It's congruent to angle D. This one.
Yes.
D is equal, not congruent, is equal to angle D. What do you call those angles?
Alternating.
They are what?
Alternating angles.
Yes, they are alternating angles. So if C and B are equal, and also you can go to A. You go to A, this one, with 3 lines, is congruent to angle E, that one. What is the reason?
Alternating angles.
Alternating angles. So at the end, can you see that the angles which are appearing at ABC
Yes.
are the same angles which are appearing at what?
ECD.
EDC. Not ECD, but EDC. Triangle EDC.
ETC.
That is the triangle. So all those angles inside triangle EDC, they are the same with the angles that are appearing on the top one, A, B, and C.
Yes.
Yes. So the reason it's what? What do you say? The reason it's angle, angle, angle.
Oh.
Angle it's not given. You have to find it out. It's not given. So
Oh,
never
I see.
given. It
Yes.
was, you found it out. It was
Yes.
not
Yes.
and so forth. Any question so far? If you want to ask,
So
let's ask
so the yes, so the lines that show the parallel, um
the lines
they
that
do not
go parallel. Mm.
they do not matter when I'm identifying the reason.
No, the lines that showed you parallel. The lines that
Yes.
parallel are the ones that helped you to identify the angles, the alternate
Oh,
angles. Remember, for alternate angles, you need to know that these two sides are parallel. You can never have alternate angles if the sides are not what? Parallel.
parallel.
Yes. First,
Okay.
the sides have to be parallel, and then you can talk of what? Alternate angles.
Hang it.
You can talk of alternate angles.
Oh, I've seen it.
Our reason there is going to be our reason which we are going to write for why these triangles are the same. So it will be,
Hang it.
again, you can write A if you want. Like this is
Yes.
A, A. Or you can use the symbols for angle, like angle, comma, angle, comma, angle.
Yes.
Yes, so you choose the two methods which you want. Either you can write A, or use the symbol for angle, angle, angle.
Yes.
Don't say given, no. What is given is that AB is equals to DC. That one is what?
Given.
Yes, can you see the two lines, these ones? The two lines, these ones? These two lines.
Yes.
It means what? The sides are what?
Parallel.
No, the sides are the ones which are circled. Check the ones which are circled. Check the lines, those two vertical lines which are circled. What do they tell you, those lines?
Alternating.
The sides are equal.
Equal.
Yes, those two lines which are like this, they means what? Equal.
Yes.
Yes, meaning side AB is equals to side DC. That's what it means from the two sides which are given there on the screen. It means
Yes.
side B is equals to DC because of those vertical lines. Then the arrow is the one that is talking about parallel. This arrow
Yes.
talking about parallel. These two arrows. They indicate that the two lines are what? Parallel.
Parallel.
Yes, that is why we were using the idea of alternate angles because of those arrows. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So don't forget, yes. Yeah. Don't forget these things. Okay. Any questions so far, or we can move on?
Now we can move on.
Move on. All right. We can move on. Let's go. We see the next one, the next problem. So the next one is number 2.12. So which means this one we can delete that information which we already have. So let's go to 2.2. 2.12. You wrote
Yes.
2.12, you wrote PQR is congruent to PSR.
Yes.
So let's see how we started to move. We started to move from P to Q. Then from Q to what?
To R.
N. So the order, it matters. And where you are starting from also matters. Yes. So in our case, PQR will be congruent to what? Check the diagram. to be congruent to what? PQR.
Yes.
Which movement are you supposed to make? It will be congruent to
I did the first time.
the one which you did the first time. Yes. What did you write?
P to S and then to R.
P to S, then to R.
Yes.
Is that what you wrote?
Oh no, I wrote PRS.
Yes, you wrote PRS. So PRS, you can see it's wrong, isn't it?
Yes.
Because you are not starting with the diagonal. You are not starting with this length. You are not starting that. But we have to start with what? The length, which is equal. Yeah. So you are going to say from P, then you move to S.
Yes.
From S, then you go to what?
R.
So that is the order, which I was correcting you there. Which I was. Yes. So I think you've learned something. Let's move to the next one. Before we go there, what about the reason? Let's go to the reasons. The reasons why those triangles are the same. The reasons why those triangles are the same.
I think it's side angle.
You think it's side angle?
Yes.
So you can see there's a line that is given there which indicates there's two sides which are equal.
Yes.
Yes, there's a line which indicates that two sides are equal.
Yes.
And also there are arrows which indicate that the sides are parallel. These arrows. Yes.
Yes.
So you are right, but the reason is correct. The reason you said it what? Side?
Angle.
Yes, side, angle. Because you are going to use the knowledge of alternate angles. The knowledge of alternate angles by saying, if you know your knowledge of alternate angles, we'll be now saying this angle, which is S, I mean angle R, is alternate to angle P. Okay. And then we are also having the angle, this one, which is the same with the angle, two lines, the one with two lines angle is the same with what? P, exactly, like that. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. So the reason there, it's side, angle, angle. So put it the reason. So you write side, angle, and angle. Or if you want to write in letters to say side, angle A, and then what? Angle. So this is what we'll be doing there when you are solving for that problem. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So let's move on to the next one, which is 2.13. 2.13.
Yes.
Let's make it big so that you can see it from that side as well. 2.13. All right. So we are there at 2.13. So for 2.13, we also want to know which sides are congruent. You said triangle A what? 2.1.
ABD.
ABD, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, Kudzi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry about that. It's the network, it had taken me out.
No, it's fine, sir.
Yes. So let me share again so that we conclude on that one. Let me share again the screen. The network
Yeah.
is taking me a bit out, but I will sort it out. Yes, let me just share my screen. Let me share my screen. There.
Yes.
All right, we are back. Are you still there, Kudzi?
Yes.
Yes, we were saying this triangle ABD is congruent to which triangle from what you are seeing there on the screen? Triangle
ACD.
Exactly, ACD. So it's congruent to triangle AC, then we go to what? To D. What are the reasons?
Side angle side.
Side angle, side.
Side.
Yes, side angle and what? And side, which is correct. Side angle side, which is correct. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, let's go to the next one, which is number 2.14. Number 2.14. 2.14. Right. When you are looking at this question number 2.14, which two triangles are congruent? Number 2.
Triangle ABC
is congruent to what?
Triangle DCE.
Yes. Now you know. Now you can see your mistake. To triangle DCE. So what we are saying triangle A, B. You said ABC, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, is congruent to triangle
DCE.
Yes, DCE. The reason?
Side angle side.
Yes, side angle side. Side angle and side. That is the reason. The reason is side angle and side.
Yes.
All right. So let's move to the next one, number 2.15.
Yes.
2.15. Right. So as you can see there, number 2.15, we are given a second. So which two triangles are congruent there? Which two
triangle ABD.
Okay, let me just write it. Triangle A, B, and D congruent to what?
Triangle BCD.
Triangle B,
CD.
D. All right. Let's A, B, D, and triangle B, C, D. Is it correct or it's incorrect?
It's correct.
You started at A, you went to where? B. Then from B, you went to D. So it's the same thing. You are going to start from C, not from B. You started at what? A. Also, the one that is opposite to A is what? It's C.
C.
Yes. So you are starting from C. So your answer becomes what?
Triangle CBD.
It will be triangle
CBD.
CBD.
Yes.
Yes. So that is the order. That is what the order which I was telling you, that make sure that the order is what? Is correct.
Correct.
Make sure that the order is correct. All right. So let's move to the next one, which is number what? 2.16. I mean, sorry, 2.21. 0.21. So for 2.21, we are told that proof. Right. We are required to prove this statement.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
We are required to prove that statement that triangle ADE is similar to triangle CFE.
Yes.
So what are the conditions for similarity?
It can be different size but same shape.
Yes. And by same shape, what do they mean? Different size. What makes shapes to have same shape? Two different shapes? Or I mean, what makes two shapes so that we say they have the same shape but they are different in size? Different in size, another way you can say they are proportional, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Then for shape, we are talking about the interior angles must be the same for similarity.
Yes.
That is the major. So the angles are the same, but the sides are what?
No, not the same.
So for ADE, we are going to our triangle now. Going to our triangle, which is ADE. Right. So what is the length of AD?
3.
And the length of AE?
6.
6. That's good. So we are now also going to go to the triangle CFE. Use the triangle CFE. So which one is triangle CFE? Let's highlight it. So we have C, F, and E. So that is the triangle they are talking about, the one in green.
Yes.
CFE. So we are comparing to triangle ADE. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So the first thing, you must put those triangles in the same order that they are naming them. That is the trick about similarity. Like now, the triangles, they are not drawn facing the same direction. So the trick,
Yeah.
you must also draw them facing the same one direction so that they don't confuse you. For example, what do I mean? I'm going to put triangle CFE facing upwards, like also ADE. So we write C, and we write F, we write E. So that does not confuse us. Right. So we are given that FC is how much? What is the length of FC?
4.
4. FC is 4. And what is the length of, so that is what we are only given. No any other information, isn't it?
Yes.
Or any other information. All right. So we are given D1 and E1, E3, and then those angles. So for us to find similarity there, we are not going to use the length of the shapes. We are going to use the angle, isn't it?
Yes.
So the length is out. We must use angles. Right. So let's use the angles so that you see. Okay. So I will put it in different color.
Yes.
All right. Let's go to highlight E, angle E1. You see E1?
Yes.
It's the same as E1.
E3.
Exactly. E3. We highlight it. Then we go to the next one, which is can pick another one. So E1 and E3 are the same. So let's go for another angle which we can pick there, which we are going to see that these are the same. Let's choose D1. Let's go to D1.
Yes.
Let's go to D1. give it a different color. So D1, put it in purple, is equal to which angle? Check using alternate angles. Can you see the arrows?
Yes.
Yes, these arrows, they are telling you that those lines are parallel. FC is parallel to AB. So you can use your knowledge of alternate angles. So D1 is the same as which angle?
Angle F.
Excellent, angle F. That's correct. And let's use another color. It is different. So we can highlight it in a different color. And maybe we can put orange. Right. Let's go to angle A.
Yes.
Using the knowledge of alternate. Angle A is equal to what? Angle A equals to?
Angle F.
Is it F?
No.
But angle what? Angle A is equals to angle?
C2.
Exactly, C2. Excellent, C2. So that is C2. So now, can you see that everything that is, all the angles, the size of angles at angle,
Yes.
triangle ADE, it's happening the same as triangle CFE.
Yes.
So what are you going to conclude? So this is what we are going to do now. When you are writing, you write it like this. So you are going to say angle A. You are going to write angle A let's write it angle A all right. So what I mean, I'm saying angle A, then you write
Yes.
your angle A is equals to what? Angle C2.
C2.
Right, angle C2. And then D1, angle D1
Is equals to angle F.
equals to angle what? F.
F.
With
Yes.
a head. Angle you write with a head on top. Okay. And
Yes.
then angle what? E1.
And it's
E1.
equals to angle E3.
Yes, it's equals to angle E3. Therefore, when you are done, then you say, therefore, triangle ADE is similar to what?
Triangle CFE.
Yes, then that's how you prove it. So you write these three statements which are on the screen, the three statements which are on the screen. Angle A is equals to angle C2. Angle D1 is equals to angle F. Okay. And
Yes.
then angle E1. Then you write angle E1.
Yes.
E1 is equals to angle what?
E3.
E3. Therefore, then you have proved that these two triangles are what? Are similar. Because for similarity, you use angle, 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 isn't it? And
Yes.
the reason is because it's angle, angle what? Angle.
Yes.
Okay. Any question for number 2.2? I mean, it's
So
2.1, 2.2.
every time I deal with similarity, I have to identify the angles.
The angles. In our case, we're not given a side. In our case, we're not given which side is equals to the other one.
Yes.
Okay. But if we are now calculating the proportionality or the length, or like when we are here, when they say maybe they want you to calculate the length of FE, the length of FC, then that's when you can what? You can use proportionality. But for now, we just want to use similarity. For similarity, you only have three things which you are going to prove, which is angle, angle, angle. If all the angles of any two shapes which have different sizes are the same, for those two shapes are similar.
Yes.
There a question there?
No, we can continue.
You can continue. All right. Let's go to number 2.22. Number 2.22. 2.22. Determine the length of EC. Determine the length of EC. Yes. Now that's when you use proportionality now. Since the triangles are similar, now we want to look for EC. The length. Determine the length of EC. No, the length of EC, we know it, isn't it?
Yes.
We know EC? No, let's check our diagram. Maybe I made a mistake. We said EFC, CFE, okay? And then the side FC, yes, so the 4 here is wrong. FC is 4. Let me correct that. Let me correct it. FC is not supposed to be 4. FC is not supposed to be, CE is not supposed to be 4, supposed to be. This is wrong. The 4 is supposed to be there at FC. Okay?
Yes.
From our diagram.
Yes.
Our diagram. So that is the correction. So now we are supposed to find that side which I just erased. Okay?
Yes.
So you are going to take, how are you going to calculate that? You are going to say this side, AD. Can you see AD which I highlighted?
Yes.
Over AD over FC. AD over or CF.
FC.
You can use, yes, let's use the correct order. AD going downwards over CF going downwards should be equals to AE over what? Over that. What do you get?
Yes.
So make an equation. AD over CF. Yes, AD over CF. AD over CF is equals to AE over what? EC.
Over CE.
Yes, over CE. Over CE. Sorry. Over CE. Or you can use the same order which they used. You can say also another equation which you can write. You can say EC. Can you see EC?
Yes.
Yes. EC over what? Over EA. Over EA is equals to FC. FC over DA in the correct order. Can you see that equation?
I cannot understand this one.
Cannot understand that one.
Yes.
I'm repeating again. Let me clear the diagram that we can see properly. Right. So now the diagram is back.
Yes.
We are saying that from our diagram, The 4 is here. Okay. So I am saying EC, the length EC, which you are looking for, isn't it?
Yes.
The length EC, this one, the length EC. So you are going to say EC over the corresponding side on this side. It should be EA. So EC over EA, write it down. EC over EA.
Over EA as in like division form.
Yes, fractions, as fractions. As fractions. Like
Yes.
like EC over E what?
EA.
Yes, that's what I mean. EC over EA is equals to what? Is equals to EA.
EA.
Wait, EC over EA, isn't it?
Yes.
EC over EA is equals to what? We can FC. Now we are using FC now.
Yes.
FC. So is equals to FC over what? If you are following.
Over AD.
Is it AD or DA?
Oh, DA.
Yes, remember the order matters. Over
Yes.
DA. Can you see?
Yes.
So put the values and solve for EC.
Yes.
No, so EC is what you are looking for, isn't it?
Yes.
What is the length of EA? 6. So where there's EA, you are going to put what? 6.
6.
Where there's DA, you are going to put what?
3.
Where there's FC, you are going to put what?
4.
Yes, so solve for EC and tell me.
So we solve it as if we are solving for X.
Yes, exactly, as if you are solving for X. So EC is like your X, but instead of writing X, you are just writing what? EC.
EC.
So EC is equals to what? EA, we said our EA there is what?
Our EA is 6.
Yes, then FC, we said FC is 4.
4.
DA
Is 3.
So you want to be left with EC. So we are going to say what? To get EC, you are going to say 4 times 3, 4 times 6. To multiply both sides times 6, isn't it?
Yes.
4 times 6 over 3 is the EC. So what is the final answer? What are you getting?
It's 6 times 4.
Which is?
24.
Divided by 3.
Which is 8.
8, yeah. It is 8. So that's how you find EC using what? Proportionality. So can you see that order, it matters?
Yes.
Yes, the order, it matters. Once you make a mistake on the order, the answer does not come out clear.
Yes.
So you must not make any mistake on the order.
Yes.
So let's go to number 2.3. Number 2.3. So it's saying for number 2.3, AB is parallel to GC. Okay?
Yes.
AB is parallel. Determine the size of the given angles. So size of, we are looking for what? G1, G2, G3, isn't it?
We are
the question, I did not see the question. Okay, number 2, we want angle D2. So we are going to look for D2. these ones, but they are not a bit clear. But D2, we'll start by 2.31. We are looking for D2, and then 2.32. We'll be looking for angle C for 2.3. 2.32, we are looking for angle A.
Yes.
2.34, we are looking for D3.
Yes.
Then 2.35, we are looking for D1.
D1.
Let's go, we just look at the diagram, we play around with it. All right, we are there now. D2, let's go to D2.
Yes.
So D2, we want the size of D2, which is the highlighted one, that one.
Yes.
It equals to what? Can we see that the is equals to?
62.
Why?
Because the angles are opposite each other, are equal.
Because it's isosceles, isn't it?
Yes.
Then isosceles triangle, this one. Then isosceles triangle. So the base angles are the same.
Yes.
Yes. Then isosceles triangle. How do you know it's isosceles? Because of these sides.
Yes.
They are equal. So if the sides are equal, the base angles are also what? Equal.
Equal.
Okay? Yes.
Yes.
For D2, we say it is equals to 61. 62 degrees. Yes. So we are fine there with that one. Let's go to angle A. This one. Angle A. How much is angle A?
For angle A, it got 56.
How did you get 56?
So angles in a triangle equals to 180.
Yes, 180.
And then I added 60. I added 62 with the other
62 plus 62. Yes, that's correct. Then you get
Yes.
what? 120?
120.
124. Then
Yes.
180 minus 124, what do you get?
56.
180 minus 124, you get what?
56.
56 degrees. Yes. So angle A is 56.
6.
That's correct. Then let's go to angle C. This one. Angle C.
Angle
How much?
C. For angle C, I also got 56.
Because it's also an isosceles, isn't it?
Yes.
Angle C, also 56. 6 degrees. Let's go to D3. D3. Are you there?
Yes.
D3.
Yes.
So we are at D3.
Yes.
What is D3?
Yeah, so D3 I got 62
Why 62?
because
Reason?
co-interior angles are equal to 180.
Are those ones co-interior angles? D3. Are you using the knowledge of co-interior angles?
Yes.
Which one are co-interior angles? D3 and 1.
D3 and F.
Are they not alternate?
Oh, I meant to say alternates. I meant to say alternates.
Yes, so co-interior and alternate is not the same. So D3
Yes.
is equals to 62 because they are alternate angles with what? Angle F.
F.
So D3 is equals to 62 degrees.
Yes.
Alternate angles with F. That's correct. So we are agreeing there. Let's
Yes.
go to the last one, D1. D1. What is D1? D1. What did you get for D1?
For D1 I got 56.
How did you get 56?
So I took the answer from
A,
D2.
the one from D2.
Yes, from
Okay.
D2.
D2
and,
is 62, yes.
And D3, which was also 62.
62 then?
Then I used
Added.
the knowledge of a straight line, which is equals to
Angle,
1.
yes. Angles of a straight line. Or the
Yes.
other way, or another way again. Remember on the screen, there's angle A. Can you see angle A?
Yes,
It's how much?
56.
It's the same as D1. And the reason is what?
Alternating.
Alternate angle. So you can use many reasons as long as it's correct.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we are done with that one. What was left now is what? It's done, isn't it? You
Yes.
still more? You still have more of those? Or this worksheet is done?
No.
We are done, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So send another problems which you need help with. Then we create another session for those to attempt those problems. But I think for this one, your challenge was in naming the order, only the order here. That's when I was marking you wrong here. The order, where
Yes.
vice versa. You're not using the same order. When you say PQR, you must also use the same order. Instead of PRS, it is supposed to be PSR.
Yes.
Yeah. So that was your mistake. That's why I was marking wrong here. And then I said use correct order.
Yes.
So our session is ending now because we are done with everything which you sent me. So look for things which you want me to assist, things which you know. Don't send things which you know, because if you know the things, then there's no point. Send things which are saying this problem is challenging. Let's have a session on this kind of questions.
Yes.
Yes, then it becomes helpful. If you send things which you already know, yeah, I won't be helping you.
Yes.
Yeah, so send things which are saying, hey, I have tried to work this one, but it's giving me a challenge. Let's have a session on this question. Then we can have a session.
Yes.
So thank you, Kudzi. You
Thank
update
you.
your mom that we are done with the first session. If you have more questions for today, we can have another session, 1 hour, maybe later, after you've seen your problems which you need help with, then I will create a link.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, take care, take care. Let me just exit here.